Hi, I'm Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to open a case on Amazon step by step. Whether you are a buyer dealing with a missing or damaged order or a seller facing a dispute, opening a case is the fastest way to get Amazon's attention and resolve your issue efficiently. First, log into your Amazon account and go to the Help or Contact Us section. From there, select the category that matches your issue. It could be an order problem, account issue, or seller dispute. Make sure to provide all the required details like order number, product name, and a clear explanation of the issue. Once you submit the case, Amazon will provide a case ID, which you can use to track your progress in the Your Cases section. A quick tip: for faster resolution, be clear and concise in your explanation. Attach relevant photos if needed, and follow up politely if you don't get a reply within the expected time frame. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to open and manage a case on Amazon, saving you time, stress, and potential losses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any tips like this from Growth Beyond Horizon.